6 things you didn't know about cast iron pans. Number 1, cast iron pans does not heat evenly. It does get super hot and hold in heat longer than other materials, but it doesn't heat up super evenly. You want to make sure the entire pan is red hot, so you'll need to preheat it. To heat the pan evenly, move the pan around the burner while it's preheating. Number 2, once you've built up a dark, smooth non-stick seasoning that's baked into the skillet, there's no way a little bit of dish soap is going to remove it. So go ahead and clean your cast iron skillet with a soapy sponge. After all, you don't want your cobbler to give off a whiff of cod. Number 3, yes, you can save it. Bring out the steel wool and give it a really good scrubbing. When you've cleaned the skillet thoroughly, dry it off and rub a very thin layer of cooking oil into the entire surface inside and outside. Place your skillet on the middle rack in your oven upside down, with a large baking sheet or piece of aluminum foil on the bottom rack underneath it to catch any oil that drips down. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and then let it cool, and you're good to go. Number 4, how do you store your cast iron skillet when they're not in use? By placing a paper towel on the inside surface, you not only separate nested pieces, which prevents scratches or damage to the inside of your cookware, but you also add a layer that can absorb any moisture that might lead to rusting. Number 5, you can use it on an electric range. But keep in mind, that if your cooktop has a smooth glass surface, the flatter the bottom of your skillet, the better the heating results. You want your pan to make good contact with the burner. This is true for induction burners as well. Be careful not to drag the skillet on the surface to avoid scratching the glass. Number 6, some lawyers will tell you that you shouldn't use metal utensils with your cast iron because they'll scratch the seasoning. But your seasoning is a lot tougher than you think it is. As long as you aren't, say, going in there aggressively with a knife or scraping at the pan, you can use a metal spatula or spoon and everything will be just fine. If you feel this video is informative and helpful for you, do like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated with more videos like this. If you are looking to buy cast iron pans in Pakistan, do visit our website www.bakeware.pk.